Hi guys, my name is Sid. I'm here to show you a short video on how to make chili paste, homemade chili paste, but this is exactly what we're making today. Obviously the items that are in front of you will not make exact quantity. The quantities will be available for you in the description along with the photos of each item. So we start off with chilies. We've got dry chilies and fresh chilies. So chilies are really good for anti-inflammatory properties. We've got some ginger here. Ginger is really good for muscle pain. We've got mint, so it soothes digestion. We've got coriander. Coriander is really good for your skin. We also have garlic. So I normally use peeled garlic frozen. I buy that from the Asian grocers. I'm sure you can also. Or you can go and buy some fresh bulbs from your local grocer. So garlics are really good for preventing cold and flu symptoms. Now let's get into it. Oh, before I forget, we also have white vinegar, and it's pretty much used for a natural preservative, so you don't have to use water or any other additives. You just go ahead and use vinegar to sort of help you blend everything in. Alright guys, first things first, we'll put in the fresh chilies. Just evenly put it in. And there's really no right or wrong way of putting this in, so everything's going to get blended anyway. Okay, cool. So that's all the chilies gone. Now we want to take the mince. And it looks a bit too much in there at the moment, but it'll all soon be blended. And then we want to put in all the garlic. Now the trick with ginger is, I know it can be overwhelming to chop it, so just maybe break it a little bit so your food processor can actually break it down. And lastly, we'll put in the coriander on top. And it looks a bit too much, but I'm sure it'll all be fine. Now, we want to start off with maybe half a cup of vinegar, or a bit more than half. Let's just go with 1 cup. Alright, we'll just go with 1 cup now, because we might need to add in a bit more afterwards. Just put it all in there. Right, so let's give it a shot. And it is going to be a bit loud, so there we go. Alright. Alright guys, as you can see, this has been in there in the food processor for the last 10 minutes. Also, the consistency at the moment is done pretty good. For me, it's perfect. The color is a lot greener than the one that I showed you previously. The one that I created was for myself, and this one is actually for my girlfriend. So she actually wanted more coriander and less chilies. So again, this goes to the how hot do you actually want it. If you want it really hot, you can add up to 70% of more chili and 30% of everything else. That's how I like it. But the way I've created for my girlfriend is to have 30% of chili and 70% of the rest, just so that she doesn't get too sick of too much chili. Cool. And now what we want to do is take it off from the food processor and just pretty much pour it in. Right guys, as you can see, this is the end product. It only took us about 30 minutes approximately. The beauty is you can use it straight away. You can use it in stir fries, curries, stews, and you can even give it to someone as a present. And thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you next time. See ya. Sid made this, and then she was like, yeah.